Good morning, class. I heard a few questions about how to upload a video or how to start a new discussion. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a new discussion. So here it is your course, the doctoral committee service. Let's go back to the course and go back from beginning. So here it is the introduction, okay? And then what you will do to start your new discussion post is you're going to scroll down to your discuss, okay? And you see, when you see this plus sign, click that plus sign. This will allow you to start a new discussion. Let me do test, okay? And I know this is asked you to post an introduction video. Sometimes due to the size of the video, it may look too big to post it on the course. So what you can do is you can upload your video to YouTube and click the YouTube here. And copy and paste a link to the YouTube. Let me do a demonstration here. How to include a YouTube video. Let's say I'm gonna include this. Let me say the sports center. Okay. No, this is YouTube TV. We don't want to do that. Let's do a small video. Okay. Let's do learn shapes with cars, okay? So here is a video. And you can go to share and copy. This is a link of the YouTube video. Copy the link and then go back to your class and paste the link here and click OK. So right now it only shows you the iframe, but don't worry about it. When you click create, and you will be there. Okay? So that way you will not be limited by the size of video. Alright, let me go back to the course. Okay? So here's a little tip for that video for your discussion post. Good luck, and this is Dr. Yang. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.